We have already taken you through the technical specs, feature, advantage, benefit of Shinrai. This is a very important product in our stable. As all of you, Tata Hitachi is being known as a leader in excavator. We have not been playing major role in backhoe loader. And backhoe loader is a large market in India. In fact, India is the largest market for backhoe loader. 60 to 70% of world market lives in India. So being a leader in excavator industry, we realized that it is very, very important for us to be in this space of backhoe loader. The product which we had earlier, it was a very old technology. So this is a new product developed from scratch by taking feedback from our customers, dealers, looking at the market, the usage pattern, and what all customer is looking for in this product. So this is one of the best product we have developed, the wheel loader segment. We got big support from Tata Group and Hitachi Construction Machinery, our parent company, and it took us about 3.5 and 4 years to develop the machine, took it through various testing, and now it is being launched. And we are launching it today in Telangana. It is one of the largest market for backhoe loader. Very good support. Recon, our dealer here, is one of the largest selling dealer in India. They are doing extremely well. They have outlets. They are very well spread in Telangana. Support function is very good. We have trained technicians. Spare parts availability is very good. We have delivered about 60 odd machines have already been commissioned in South, and the response what we have received is very, very good. So overall, it has been a good beginning for Shinrai, and we seek your support, and thank you very much.